The views are absolutely staggering here. This is what I'm talking about. Paradise, absolute paradise. What's going on, everybody? I'm here with my Colombian girlfriend. We are, it's cool out here. You know, we at the park, just doing hoop things, you know. But just want to talk about follow up to the property I'm looking at purchasing in the Dominican Republic. You've seen it. ¿Has visto la propiedad?
Yeah.
La propiedad de
Yeah.
de Sosua.
Sosua. Es muy lindo.
But I'm really on the fence about buying this property and need to get you guys' opinions. So let me know in the comments below. Should I pick up this property, or is there something better that I'm missing that would be a better location? All right, let's get to the clips. This is incredible.
A retaining wall all the way up to the end of the property.
So this is the owner here in the black shorts and the flip-flops giving us a tour of the property. Man, this property is insane. Look at that view. Sheesh. Yeah, I gotta get some. So this will be the pool overlooking the water. Obviously, by the time of this video, it's further along. But yeah, amazing view, incredible vibes. Just east of Sosua, a little about 40 minutes east of Sosua, Gasper Hernandez, and you know, this is a set of condos.
It's coming. So the pool's gonna start next week.
So as I'm walking along here, I'm really trying to take all of this in, you know, what this is going to be. It's clearly under development. There's a lot happening around here. And so looks very promising. You know, it looks like the outskirts of a major city in a way. And I'm just trying to take it in, you know. I'm just trying to really wrap my head around what it would be like to own a property in the Dominican Republic. Man, what a feeling.
Owns about half of Gasper Hernandez. You see his helicopter pad in the front. He comes in and out.
The design and layout is really, really nice. You can see it's going to be, I mean, let me show you guys this view. So this would be if I buy this will be my view walking out. This will be my view. Now, one of the things that I learned about the property while I was there is that it will have an HOA attached to it. So that is to maintain the swimming pool, groundskeeping, and there is a fee for a solar panel system and a battery storage system. That's to ensure that tenants have their own electricity grid, because it's a very remote area, and if you were to lose power completely out here, it could be up to an hour before somebody can come out and help you. And I would say a minimum of an hour. Now, those outages in this area do happen, especially on the north side. All right, we're going up.
Some of it, like the concrete down below, is mixed.
I've noticed even in Puerto Plata, there's a lot of power outages. And so you'll see a look at the roof here in a second. This is a panoramic view. Okay.
One bedroom.
He didn't tell me about this part.
That side.
Man. Okay.
And
But part of the area, the surface area of this roof is going to be just solar panels, which will be to provide electricity to the units in the event that there's a power outage. Yeah, I'm sure.
the girl, one of the questions from the girl was,
Let's look at this mansion over here really quick. Look at this place over here, guys. So this guy up on the hill, he owns these down here, and his property is absolutely insane. Right on top of the hill, overlooking the water. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better view of the ocean. And look at how pretty it is and how beautiful it is. So let me follow them over here. But man, there's a lot of spaces, a lot of spaces and opportunities to acquire property over here. I'm gonna go check out my friend Tim's property. This is where he's gonna be at. So it just keeps going and going. Wow. So walking through Tim's property here. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Let me go catch them on the staircase before I get too lost. So yeah, you got 360-degree views here of this property just because of the location of it. Get these 360-degree views.
Now it's fun to go back. People are so good. I lived in Omaha for I lived in you live in
Whew,
Omaha?
that is bright.
Oh, you are. Cowboys, man? Good.
Man,
Awesome. So that's Cowboys.
this is incredible. So the roof will be public area?
Yeah,
Or
this will be a shared rooftop terrace. So this will be big beams going straight up, and this will be covered.
uh-huh.
And then we'll have some furniture up here, and just a kind of a shared public area.
I love it.
Yeah, this will be great. But there'll be another kind of a fire pit area down next to the pool. We'll put some furniture down just to be able to kind of hang out. And
That's good to know. It's not just the studio. You have also got the pool and these other
some other
amenities.
options.
I love it.
Yeah.
Interesting. Now, it'll be both sides or?
Just this side.
Okay, it'll be kind of closed off here.
From my perspective as the developer, this is what we're doing. You guys, as owners, can vote and decide if you want to put a big roof up here and do whatever you want. As long as you abide by the local regulations, you can do whatever you want.
Right on.
I think this will be, so I'm gonna put some signage up here too. I'm gonna build a kind of a little rectangular small building here. And so this would kind of be some extra storage there's tile and just little things that you need to, and then I'll put signage here that says Eden by the Sea, and then on this side probably too.
That's what it's called?
Yeah, that'd be a good move.
Basketball court?
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Oh, bathroom.
Up here.
Bathroom.
Yeah, that way you don't got to go back down.
There's plumbing. I mean, actually there's electric. This is the plumbing.
So you've got 360-degree view.
Solar panel. How we're going to do it is the roof of the covered terrace area will be solar panels. And then this, I think, will be covered with solar panels.
Provide all electricity or the heating for the water?
Everything. All the electric. This will hopefully be off-grid. Now, everybody's going to have to get together and vote because it's a little more expensive to do that.
Mm-hmm.
But for me, the money that you spend on diesel fuel for a generator, $700–800 a month. You spend $100 a month in maintenance, and then plus you have electric bill, so $100 a month for electric. So if you take that money and finance solar panels, in 2 years it pays for itself.
Mm-hmm.
So after 2 years you have no electric, you're off grid, and you don't have to worry
about power outages.
And it's instant too. So you don't have that delay. When you have a generator, you wait 30 seconds for the generator to kick on, so your electricity goes off. Well, this solar, how they have it set up is just a click. You don't even notice it.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it makes sense, but everybody's going to vote on it.
And it's so sunny down here.
Yeah.
Solar makes a lot of sense. You know, if it's in a place that's not tons of sun.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is perfect.
I agree.
Okay, so at this point, I'm clearly impressed. Rooftop access, swimming pool, fire pit, walkability to a beach with clear blue water, can see your feet in the water, and just 40 minutes from the Sosua airport. This is about 25 to 30 minutes from Kite Beach, and it's just off the beaten path. It'd be like living in the suburbs. It's nice. Wow. This is incredible, guys. So these are the kind of properties that you want to have access to. 360-degree panoramic view of the water, the mountains, the land, and of course you got the palm trees. But this is incredible, man. This is incredible. We'll talk a little bit more about this area after we get done with this tour, but there's a lot to be interested in with this particular property. All right, so man, a town, I'll put the name of the town in the description, but just east of Cabarete, it's really the next city over. This property is available. I might pull the trigger, guys, I'm not gonna lie. The price is right. It's a little bit away from the happening stuff, which isn't a bad thing. You know, you've got a lot of privacy and peace and quiet out here. Man, 360-degree panoramic views, a view of the ocean, view of the water, pre-market, early construction. This is what we're talking about out here in the Dominican Republic, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick look at this, and then we're gonna get off of this rooftop. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Paradise, absolute paradise. This is truly a work of art, man. It's truly a work of art. It's far enough away as well, which is kind of interesting, to where you can't smell the ocean water. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I guess it depends on your personality, but yeah. Now they're going to be putting the solar on this side, so unfortunately this will all be unavailable for seating and things like that. Not a huge deal breaker. This is just a larger footprint, you know, so it would be nice to have this area as an open space, but you know, that could be changed in the future or something. I don't know. There's very few places I come to and I say to myself, man, I really don't want to leave. I really don't want to leave. Palm trees. I mean, you got everything you could ask for here in terms of the views. Very, very peaceful, man. It's so peaceful. Look at these waves. I'll give you a closer look. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, so what do you guys think? You've seen the property, heard some of the details about what comes with it. I'm trying to make my decision here pretty soon, so I'm open to suggestions. Should I be buying this property just east of Sosua? This is the type of place that I would like to purchase to have some of our shared travel experiences. You think it's worth it, or should I be buying a property in another location, such as Santo Domingo, Punta Cana, or maybe in another island altogether. I'm open to suggestions as I wrap up and try to make my final decision. But look at those waves, man. How can anybody say no to waves like that? Thank you guys for rocking with me. Make sure you leave a comment below and follow this channel for more content like this. I appreciate it. So that's how they living out here, man. Incredible views, right on the water. I mean, what more can you ask for, man? Palm trees, got horses down there, los caballos. This is exactly the dream that we're talking about, and the reason why we got this YouTube channel going. But let's get back down there and catch up with the cavalry. I'm getting starving, so we're gonna get some food.